know who you are, and we are more than happy. Like, who is not more than happy telling them who we are, how we got.
I was just gazing for an awkwardness between the, hug, so that I could know whether he has done some bad review of her. And
No. Kangana talks to both of us. We're good.
I have tremendous respect for,
Thank you. No, but
Rajiv and Anu.
Kangana, tell me, what do you look for in an interview?
I don't go with expectations, Anu, because I feel that I've been there for a while now, and I've been through interviews where they don't even allow you to complete your answer. They ask you a question and like, "Acha, okay, usko chhodiye." Okay, fine. So you don't want to go with any expectation, and you just want to go with the flow. That is what I look for. But like you do have people. Like when I go for your interview, I definitely look for great conversations and great angles which I must have not explored in my mind. Like the question that you asked me, I never really, sat back or thought about them or ever, sort of, went through making those decisions the way I, that day spoke about it. So, yeah, so I think it depends, like I said, depends a lot on the interviewer and how comfortable they make you feel. And the intent of the person also, when they're asking you questions, you just, like someone like me who at 28 has seen, half the world. Like I know when I see a person that what that person is seeking from me, and sometimes you give them what they want, sometimes you don't. I'm pissed today, I don't want to give any sensational lines. And sometimes, the conversation is so genuine. And the person is genuinely wanting to know who you are. And we are more than happy. Like who is not more than happy telling them who we are, how we got here, and what makes us. Even the film companion thing we did, you asked
the masterclass,
me, the masterclass, you asked me about the depths of the craft, that I've developed over the years, and I can't share that with anyone. Like even sometimes then if I tell Rangul that I cracked this like that, my sister or my brother, they'll be like, wow, so they won't understand that language, so. So I was so happy to talk about it, and you valued it. So for me, it was something that I treasure and I value as well.
And what's the one thing that really pisses you off?
Well, it depends on the kind of day it is, but usually, of course, like the shallow conversations and obviously the repetitive question, and the person is recording and taking your interview just because they are asked to. And they have to go back with that interview, and you were just one of those people. Like they just kind of
it's a job.
It's a job, and you have to just give those repetitive lines. बहुत अच्छा लगा इनके साथ काम करके, बहुत ही प्रोफेशनल हैं, टाइम पे आ जाते हैं, और मुझे भी अच्छा. और एक आखिरी क्वेश्चन. They cut you off in between because they have to go. So you meet all kind of people.
It's funny she says that because as journalists, now I know I make sure that I don't ask those questions because that's exactly the answer you're going to get. What was it like to work with this person? Like she's going to tell you that he was a pain and it was horrible and I never going to work with him again. She's never going to tell you that, right?
Exactly.
Maybe you, Anu.
But another thing that, just kind of drives you mad is, वो अपनी film का dialogue सुनाइए.
I think that's. I mean, we as viewers also get very. What is that?
Okay, like it took me 3 days to, do that, and how can I do it here now? Okay, dialogue nahi suna sakte, so can you please dance?
Really?
On that song, please. No, it's okay. We can, we have to wrap it. One thumka, please. Like, so I don't know, people do that. I mean, actors are very gracious and very nice who do that. I've never got off my chair and done a thumka for anyone or things like that. And I make sure that I convey that to them, that, I don't look at my craft like that, where I can just get up anytime and do the kind of things that I, do in movies. I respect my work, and I cannot, and it's impossible for me to display a word from my character or a particular nuance, on TV, television like that. So I think somewhere media needs to have that sort of respect for, I don't say that every actor approaches their craft like that, not all of us, but like everyone has a different approach. There are ones who are so charming that they would love to actually get onto this table and, charm you all and, seduce you all, but all of us are not the same, Few people have their own personalities, and I think interviewers somewhere tend to think all actors are just the same, you know. Like I am so shy. Like every time I try to get on stage, do a show or anything, I've had like major panic attacks and palpitations and things like that. I can never dance on stage. Most of the time I don't go for awards because I get so nervous, and I am here today because it's you, or I don't usually do, you know, like very personal, intimate this thing, because I have fucked up way too many times. and you know, I hope to keep to myself. And so कहते हैं ना, अपनी इज्जत अपने हाथ में होती है.